Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9844A. Only 2,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, orange burst metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. You can even drop the second row seats from the rear. You have a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate, power driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 2,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. All-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon and the city average of 30 on the highway. And again, only 2,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.